After 9 hours, we arrived at the Bangkok's Suvarnabhumi airport, and now we are going to find our hotel transfer. Once you get your luggage, you turn right to the meeting point on the second floor between gate 3 and 4, and look at the signs with your name on it, normally opposite the Suvarnabhumi airport information counter. This area is not exclusive for the hotel transfer. It is also for your pre-booked vehicle service. Don't worry, we didn't take this tuk-tuk. We are finally arrived at this beautiful luxury hotel for our next few-day trip in Bangkok. We are at the Peninsula Bangkok Hotel. Before we check in, we are going to the lobby, have a light introduction of the Peninsula Bangkok Hotel. The Peninsula Bangkok Hotel is a luxury hotel located on the bank of Chao Phraya River in Bangkok. Opened in 1998. The hotel was 50% owned by Hong Kong Shanghai Hotel Group and 50% owned by the Phattharapasi family until 2020. The hotel is designed in a wave shape that offers a panoramic view of the river and the city skyline. And by the way, this lobby is known as a traditional Peninsula afternoon tea too. We are checked in and this is the Duplex suite. Now let me show you around from the 36th floor to 37th floor. This hotel kept the traditional Peninsula look. Interior design is all mixed from modern to traditional, from a super thick carpet to a marble bath. It is all the top luxury material, no cut corner. I love it. Now we are going to the living room. The divider reminds me a Coco Chanel private room. And look up, this is the second floor. The giraffe even can fit here. Unfortunately, it's raining today. I can't show you the stunning river view here. And here is the dining room, and I wish you are here, then we can have a dinner party. And here is your own kitchen in your own room. You can do catering here and invite all your friends, and then you don't have to cook yourself. And now let's go upstairs to view the master room. The view from upstairs is stunning, but watch it, don't fall here. More outdoor area. This is your own balcony. You can have a suntan and nobody will disturb you. Finally is the master bedroom. As you might can see, across the river is the other legendary hotel, the Oriental Hotel Bangkok. And the left-hand side is a brand new shopping center, Icon CM. We are now back to the bathroom again. The reason why, because I like to emphasize is something quite interesting about the Peninsula Hotel and the Peninsula Group. Each of the Peninsula Hotel, they invite their local scent artisans to create the toiletry for their hotel. It means each hotel, they have their own sense for their toiletry and also helping the locals, artisans to improve their business. And this is the study room. I don't think I will use much, but I will use a lot of next room. And next one is the walk-in wardrobe. And later on, I will show you how I pack for a tropical destination like Thailand. And now let's talk about fashion. Before I talk about it, if you haven't subscribed or put a like button or turn on the notification, it's about time to do it. Last episode, I was talking about what I prefer to wear in the plane. If you haven't watched it, at the end of this video, you can click the link and watch it. Normally, I prefer to wear a monotone clothing, but for a tropical holiday weather like here, I will focus on the lightweight and add a little bit color, breathable clothing, and essentially that help you stay comfortable in warm, humid conditions. If you would like to more details, simple just click read more or description and you can print out the guide for you. Okay, number 1, clothing. Lightweight top. Pack a mess of t-shirt, shirt, tank top, and blouse. Mix some breathable material like cotton or linen. Bottoms, including short, skirt, or lightweight pants. Avoid heavy fabric like denim. Swimwear. Bring at least 2 swimsuits so you always have one dry and one ready to go. Cover up. A sarong, caftan, or a beach cover up for the pool or the beach. Dresses. Casual sundresses are versatile for both day and evening outing. Footwear. Sandal for the beach and casual outing. Comfortable walking shoes, lightweight sneaker or slip-on for exploring. Last thing is very important is hat. A wild bean hat or a cap to protect from the sun, cover your face and ear. And we are now showing you the VIP area, the Peninsula Bangkok Parapetra Helicopter Lounge. Hello, thank you for allowing me to have a look of your special area. What is this area?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am security officer.
Yes.
My name is Pathanandokchan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
And this area is, what's it called, this area?
Bolipatta.
Okay. Yeah.
Set up for the wedding, set up for the meeting private.
And also for the helicopter.
And helicopter.
Yes.
And set up for the dinner private.
So
But
the
the party-
helicopter wise, how long for the circle? So
นานใช้เวลานานไหมเวลา
helicopter take off จากร่มเกล้ามานี่ก็ใช้เวลา 15 นาที landing
15 minutes?
15 minutes.
Okay. Thank you for letting me look at
take off
around.
เบสร่มเกล้า landing helipad 15 นาที
So you actually take
ครับผม
land somewhere else, not back to here.
we do both way
Okay. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I have a look. So this Paripatra Lounge is a private helicopter service provided by the hotel, typically catering the guests seeking an exclusive and luxury travel experience. This lounge is not only for a meeting, it is also can be a special occasion. You can use it for special occasion like proposal, anniversary, or celebrate your birthday. Today, because the rain and windy, that's why the helicopter not operate yet. When it is operate, they can do 3 special things. First is a day trip, second is a private tours, and also they can do a private airport transfer. As you might know, the Bangkok have a heavy traffic. It took me 2 hours from the airport to the hotel. So some people may choose to have a private helicopter airport transfer from the airport to here I don't know how much is it, but not me. For the private tour, it means you can have the helicopter just around the Bangkok area, not too far away and going to the city landmark and go through the river and just a nearby attraction. It's kind of cool. You have a bird view and look down the city. And if you have an extra change in your pocket, you can do a day trip. The helicopter can be chartered for a day. You can go to a different region a bit further and also go to the countryside or the national park. It's very stylish. Okay, here's my thought. Since my last visit 11 years ago, no doubt the Peninsula brand is impressive. From the impeccable service, excellent food, and high quality finishing. Now, the hotel is over 25 years old. Even though the bone is still good, it does need an update. Will I come back to stay again? Sure. I might even bring my mom come here next visit. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you can, hit the like button, subscribe, or share with your family and friends, and turn on the notification. I would much appreciate that. And next episode is about shopping in Thailand in a designer way.
チャンネル登録お願いします。